Let's do this as a close-up, just to make sure that everybody actually saw and understood what was happening here. So we are putting, you see the little plus right in there, and I'm putting the negative probe on it, and we are in continuity mode. So we get over 500 ohms, over 500 ohms, yeah, and on the negative I think it's these two actually in series, which is decent, and a little tiny fly. And if I put the positive on this thing, we should get nothing on all of this, and that's exactly what's happening. Also, you should never get a loud beep signaling that you have a dead short between your inputs or your outputs or something like that. Only values in this range, 500 on this, and on this it can be a bit higher, almost double or about double. So hopefully this is clear now. Thanks for watching, and bye.